Channel. How are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a totally brand new project. You will invest your money in this project and in future you will get more profit. So without wasting our time we can start the video. If you are new on my channel, so first of all subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest videos and notification. Now without wasting our time we can go to the website. You can see the exchange of this website was on screen. NomoX is the name of this project and all detail about this project was available in the description of the video. You can see world's smartest crypto exchange and you can easily buy sell every cryptocurrency, and the current price of cryptocurrency was always on screen you can see, and simply you can buy sell from this exchange. Many options was available. You can see spot trading, margin trading, and market current position was also showing on screen. You will must watch and participate and get more profit. So it's a very simple method to join in this exchange. Simply you can sign up your account. It's a very simple matter. Simply enter your email or a password and the account was be created. So first of all create your account, and also downloading option was available. You can see currencies was available. If you are outside means you live in Europe and other countries, you have USD options, and you also select the language. You it's an option was available on this exchange. So simply I can scroll down. You can see more detail about this project. Now the main thing I will tell you, the pre-sale of this project. You can see NomoX pre-sale was live and the current price of this token was 0.05. You can see, and you can simply buy it and hold it. It's a very long term project. You can simply stake this coin and get more profit in future. Now I will tell you how you can join this pre-sale and get profit from this project. So simply we can go to the website of this project. The link was also available in the description. You can see revolutionizing crypto. You simply connect your wallet from MetaMask or another wallet, and if you have BNB, USDT, simply you can buy this token from these cryptocurrencies. The purchasing power and the total current price was available on screen. You can simply watch 0.05 is pre-sale price. After pre-sale the price will be increased and your investment will also be increased. So simply purchase from this method. You will have options USDT, USD, BNB, which one you have. So simply invest it and you can simply buy this token from pre-sale. It's a very simple and easy method I will tell you. And the other method of earning was a raffle program. You can see you will get 5% intensity from per raffle. It's a very big opportunity. Simply invite your friends and get more profit from this project. It's a very simple and easy method to earn money from this project. Now we can scroll down. You can see featured in many featured was available in this project. Must read the details and get information about this project. Partner was also showing on screen. You can see, and now you can see the payment method. It was a seamless payment method. You can see the mission of this project was available. Simply you can scan your QR and get payment transferred and receiving by crypto cards, and many things was available in this payment method. You can simply read and make detail about this project. So I can scroll down more. You can see smart trading program. It's provide you a smart trading experience to trade and build advanced feature like AI powered smart trading terminals and crypto bots, and many opportunity was available in this smart trading option. I will scroll down more. You can see simplified investment. It's a very simple and easy method. You can simply process and invest and grow your investment and get profit. It will work individually and you will get many profit from this project. It's also available on CoinMarketCap. I will share with you. You can see the news of this project. NomoX token news was available. You can see more updates was on the way. You can see the detail about this project, how it's work, and total supply was also available. Team detail was available. You can see how team was work and how it's give you many more things, and you can see the total supply was 125 millions, and many things was available. White paper, social media accounts, so must join them for latest news. Now we can go back to the website. You can see these three methods in this project to get money, and utility of NomoX was also available, so must read it. And you will also having burn function, staking program. Staking program was very benefits for you, because the withdrawal fees were many minimum, and you will also trade easily and get more profit. And if you can hold this coin, so you can get more profit in future. Now I will share with you the tokenomics of this project. You can see the features, and the blockchain technologies was also available, and total distribution of this project was also on screen. And you can see simply participate in pre-sale and get profit in future, must read them for future updates. And the roadmap was the main part of this project. In this you will get information which thing was developed, and in future which thing you can see in this project. Every detail was available, so must read them. And you will get all information about the project. Hopefully you will get every information. The white paper link was also available. I will share with you a white paper of this project. Many more information was available. NomoX white paper 2.0 was available. First of all, read the instructions. It's introduction of this project. So many more detail was available, and mission and vision was also on screen. You can see seamless payment and simplified investment, smart trading. Three methods of earning was available. You can simply earn from these method. Liquidity program was also available. You can see partnership, major exchange, advanced order mechanism, and many program was available, and it's give you many big profit. And ecosystem of this project was available. You can see the total process of this project, and detail was available. Web3 ecosystem was using, and staking program was also available. You can see multi token stake works, and key benefits staking of Nomax was also available. Nomax token detail was available. Must read this white paper to get every information about this project. You can see every detail was available. Partners, roadmap, and many more things. Market opportunities was also available in this white paper, so must read them to get market information, and the size of this project and how it can grow. It's all detail was available in this white paper, so must read it. And you will also see many videos on YouTube about this project, so get information and invest your money to get more profit in future. You can see the easy investment method, how you can buy. It was available. I already tell you, simply connect your wallet. If you have BNB, USDT, and USDC, you simply buy this token from pre-sale, and simply hold them and get profit in future. Now I will tell you and show you the social media account of this project. It's very important because you will get more information and updates about this project. You can see Nomax global Twitter accounts was open, and Mexic global exchange, this token was listed. So after this, before this, you can participate in this pre-sale and get more profit. You can see 2nd September 2024 is the listing time, listing day, and the time was also available. Before this, you can simply buy from pre-sale and get more profit. And many more updates and news was available in this Twitter account. Follow them for many more updates, and you will get more profit from this project. Hopefully you will understand every detail about this project. Must join this pre-sale and create account on this exchange and get more profit in future. So if you like this video, so subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest video. Hope we will be meeting next video.